Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to install Android Studio on Windows 10. Now, just load up your browser and you want to search for Android Studio, and we'll see the result. Android Studio. You got the top result with the ad. You got the second one. I'm just gonna go with the second one. The top one is basically the same, so you can just click on any one you choose. You decide. Wait on it to load up. Okay, Android Studio. Android Studio provides the fastest tools for building apps on every type of Android device. Now click download Android Studio and take it to terms and condition. Scroll down, read it, scroll down and accept the terms and condition. Click on download Android Studio for Windows. Wait on it to pop up the save file window. Click save file. Let's close this. There you go. Wait on it to download. It's going to take a while, so almost a gigabyte. So this is going to take a while, so I'll be right back real quick. Fast. Now we're back. It's finished downloading. Just click on it. It's going to pop up the permission asking you yes. Just click yes to run the program. Now you can close your browser. Keep in mind that you're going to need Java, JDK, and to be installed on your Windows to run Android Studio properly. So make sure you got Java installed. There you go, Android Studio. Just click next. Yeah, that is good as it is. You don't want to do anything, just click next again. And yeah, just click next again. Now you leave it as is. Click next. Click next again. Now it's installing. And that's how you install Android Studio on Windows. It's already almost finished. This is the easiest step I can show you how to download and install Android Studio on Windows. Just wait on it to finish install. Might take some time, might be fast, depending on your computer performance, computer speed. It's gonna after it's finished downloading and installing, it's gonna download some updates and all that, which is good. Everything, just read and you will understand everything inside Android Studio. But the main point of this video is to how to install Android Studio. You know, you download it, you're installing it right now. That is good. It's completed. Now just click, yeah, and then you just want to leave it like that. You want to launch, you know, you don't want to launch it. Just yeah, you want to make sure it's run. So just click and it's gonna open. There you go. You have successfully installed Android Studio. You're ready to start building your apps. You know, so basically, if you have a program already or not, this one. If you don't, just click OK, and it will just open without opening a program. Start fresh, and that's basically how you install Android Studio on Windows. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial.